Welcome to our online video demonstrations presenting ReadyRadius, our software as a service platform for innovative Wi-Fi management, security and billing. In this section, we're going to show you how to set up a splash page right from square one. The splash page is the rules of the game for your hotspot. In this instance, we're going to show you how to create one right from square one. And in this instance, we're going to set up a splash page name using the ReadyRadius name. After that, you can define what sort of splash page type that it is. It could be a hotel. Your currency is defined when your account was set up from square one. So in this instance, it's pound sterling. We are a multi-language setup within our software from square one. So you can have languages in English, Czech, Dutch, French, and so on. More languages can be added later as per a request from our customers. Registration type is registration or login, which is the most popular, so that allows you to register and then log in based on those credentials. Or you could have login only, or Mac authentication using a Mac ID, or simply no registration at all. From there you can choose the registration options. So these are defining what sort of data do you want to get off your customers. So email address and password will simply allow those two criteria to be the way in which you can get in, or requiring a full name or a combination of any of these things. You also have a certification for 18 years of age for legal reasons and an opt-in to marketing enabled within the system as well. You can also require a mobile phone number and social media plugins for signing in with either Facebook, LinkedIn or Twitter. Terms and conditions is something that you can look to your legal department for, and in terms of options you can either have roaming around your own network using either the MikroTik gateway, splash page or entire system-wide roaming using ReadyRadius. We have smart router blocking, which prevents third parties from putting routers onto the network and providing internet access off the back of their own connection. You can also allow prepaid tickets, which is very useful for hotels. And then the landing page allows you to point traffic that are on your network to you, so that directs traffic more to your website than to other competitors. Once the splash page has been set up, you can then go back and list it, and you can either delete it or configure the splash page or edit the layout. Editing the layout will give you a preview of what the splash page is actually going to look like. Going into configure the splash page gives you some extra options. So the registration options are still there as before. Now you have registration welcome, to enable new registrations and welcoming them with either an email or a text. Also you have social media like and follow, as well as URL logging. So enabling URL logging will allow you to monitor every device on the network and creating a log of exactly what websites they have either attempted to get onto or have actually made a connection to. One other important feature within the splash page is you have a Splash SDK, which allows you to direct traffic to your own server so that you can make the splash page look whatever way you want, conforming to your own corporate identity, but still linking into ReadyRadius for authentication purposes. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos in the series, providing you with even more in-depth coverage of our ReadyRadius software. Contact us at info@readyradius.com for further information or to set up a login for an online demonstration.